So I am going to walk you through some different tips and tricks for when you are creating your Google Slides magazine. So to start, you're either going to click on one of these pictures to make a copy of that magazine, or you can go to this link right here and it will bring you to a folder with all the different magazine templates. And then you can just choose whichever magazine that you like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the People magazine template. And for right now, I am going to skip the first page and go ahead to the second page, which is where you're going to be doing your bio page. So, and before I do that, now you're not going to be able to, you don't want to edit this one because this is the one everyone has. So go to File, Make a Copy, and you want to title your copy with your first and last name, and you can just say it is your magazine. So now you have your own copy, your name's on it, and then we're going to go ahead and share that immediately with your teacher. So you can just press share and type in the email of your teacher right there and press done, and it will have been shared with your teacher. So now let's go ahead to this second page. This is going to be your bio page. So I'm going to go ahead and just title that my bio page. Okay. And the internet's working a little slow right now, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete all of this writing because I'm not going to keep that writing there. And here you can do just a little description of yourself, anything that you're going to be putting 4 to 6 symbols on this page, so you might want to say the reason why you chose those symbols. And you can just do whatever kind of writing you want there. Now I'm also going to go over here and delete this down here. I'm going to now insert some images, the images that I chose during class. I'm going to go ahead and put those on this page because I do need 4 to 6. So one way that you can do that is you can go to Insert, Image, and if you have one on your computer, you can upload that from your computer, or you can search the web, or if you have some in your Google Drive already, you can search for them going there. Now, if you want to take a picture of yourself or anything like that, you'd go to Camera, and then if you have the URL for that picture, you can do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search the web. And one symbol that represents me is just the fact that I am a teacher. So I might go look, and if I don't see anything I like, I might even put in teacher clip art and kind of just see maybe this one. And I'll click on it and I'll insert it. So as you can see, that image is very big, so I'm going to make that smaller. And what I'm going to do is with Google Slides, you can use this outside part here to kind of, if you want, as you're storing and searching, you can put it there if you're not sure where you're going to put it. So I'm going to go ahead. And so insert is how we did it last time. I'm going to show you a different way this time. You can also click on this icon, which says image, and the same exact drop-down menu comes up. So I'm just going to go ahead, search the web. I like to travel. So maybe I'll find something like traveling, and I'll go ahead and I'll insert this image here. And you're going to do that for each of your 4 to 6 images. I don't need this image anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that. Now I might put an image here, might put a few images across there, but I might want to put one over here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And maybe I don't like the shape of that. Maybe it's not going to fit in with how I'm writing or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead up to this, and this is where you can crop an image. So if I wanted that just around that part, I could crop the image. And then if I click outside, then the image is cropped. Now you can also change the shape of your images. So to do that is you go up to near the crop image, but you do the drop down and you choose a shape. So maybe I just want the rounded edges on that image. So now it has those rounded edges. I could change it to a circle, whatever it is that you want. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you might change those shapes, and you're going to put all of those in there. So the next thing I want to show you is if you were to, before that kind of had that other shape here, maybe you want a shape inserted here behind all your images. So I'm going to, again, you can go to Insert, Shape, or you can go to, you can see this shape button here. So I'm going to click on that, and I think I'm going to choose this one because it kind of matches the shape of this. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. And so maybe I don't want it white. I wanted blue to match these different colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this fill color bucket, and I'm going to choose that color. Now you can notice that my image of my teacher, my little teacher symbol, is gone. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to click on this image. I'm going to go to Control and then right click it. And I need to change the order of where this shape goes. So because it's in front of that teacher symbol, because I can't see that teacher symbol, I need to send backward. That one didn't work. You might have to try send to back. Oh, and then it went all the way back. So let me just try this again. Maybe I can bring to front. I'm going to undo that. I lost my image. Where did it go? There it is. Bring forward. I might have to send this one to the back. There we go. So now you might have to play with those a little bit, just like you saw I did. They act a little strange sometimes. So there we go. We have that. We have this image. I'd have my few other images kind of set there. And so I'd have that part done. Now, another thing you could do is if you have some sort of hobby where you want to insert a video, you could do that. Say you enjoy playing a certain sport or something like that, you could insert a video. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What you would do is you go to Insert, Video, and I like going to the beach. So I'm going to just click or search beach in YouTube. And this one, oh, it's a 3-hour video of a tropical beach. That's fine. I'm going to select that one. I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to put that down here. And that can represent one of my symbols, the beach. All right. So next, I'm going to show you with this template. As you can see, there's one of each of these different slides. So you're going to need more slides than that. So one thing I want to show you is how to duplicate a slide so that you have multiple ones. I've decided that this is what I want my pages to look like for each week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate slide. So you would press Control, right click, scroll down to duplicate slide. And so just so I don't forget, I might write week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on and so forth. So for each of these, you'll see this is just an image, so you can easily just delete that image. You can delete the video that's on there, and then you can also delete this or replace it with whatever information that you want to write there. Now, as far as the front page, the cover page goes, that's the same thing is kind of going on there. So you're going to have to delete some different images here so that you can put yours in. Okay? You might put your name on here. You might call this your summer school 2018. And whatever else you want to change. Now here you're also going to put you're going to put a picture of yourself. So that one you might have to take a picture of yourself with your camera. You might have to upload one that's from your phone or something like that. And then again, you go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, or you can use the camera. Okay? One last thing I would like to show you as you are inserting projects. If you would want, you can have an image, and you could actually link your project to an image. So you could have maybe a screenshot of your project, or you can you choose a different image, whatever it is, but you can link it right to an image instead of linking it to words. Now what you would do is you'd select that image, you'd make sure it was highlighted with the box around it, and you would go to Insert, and then Insert Link. And then you would type your link, or paste your link right in there. Okay? For right now, I think that is all I have, and you will be learning more as you go along.